Big brother, why are you hungry and so noisy? He's so excited when I put some mealworms in here. Keep pushing the bottle. Can you eat it? This little guy is really getting better now. And the appetite is also good. I see if you are a bird Educate of prey. Him. Are this bird of prey? Ha ha ha. This raptor is too weak, right? Rubbing against the ground in this darkness. Oh, the poor little bird of prey. Hey, hey, it's starting again. I'll give you one. Hurry up and go. It's still a baby. It's normal to fail. No shame. Eat a few mealworms and still bark. Get you some hard stuff. Take a look at what I caught last night. Hey, look here, little bird of prey. Yeah, resist. I left the light on last night. I got caught. Take a look. Look how big this is. Like we grew up in the countryside. I played with insects Nothing every day to fear. Does anyone know this thing? His scientific name is Schwanka beetle. The unicorn looks good. And it is said that many people keep him as a pet now. What Don't are you be afraid of through I still have it in my hand. Come on, boy. Little raptor for you to try. See if this is quite big. Directly scared the little raptor And these two guys are afraid to eat here. Those two little times are shit sticks. This little guy just got scared off again. I want him to try this thing. First, he didn't dare either. Brother, you are a bird of prey. Don't be afraid. Come to me to assist. He still doesn't dare. Ha ha. I couldn't even put my hand on his paw. How to fix it? You can always handle this. Hey, this is okay. Eat now. This guy is also The bug smart. Flew away as soon as it was Then just in his now, mouth. Zhao Shi went to grab it again. Fly into the field and hide there. It's over. The bug seems to have been lost. You two go are down so thick-skinned. And take a look. And a brother. Hey, Raoul. The bug is still in his hand. This head was eaten by him. Look at this stupid bird nibbling on leaves here. So young birds are usually at this stage. His parents will be there to protect Otherwise, there will be too many natural enemies. They can't beat any bird when they are young. Even small raptors. Walk back. This is pretty edible.